Perfect applicant.
We got a tournament. I'd like to try to schedule out 4 rounds. I'm going to talk with Brady because I'd like to do one.
Several
We
things
don't.
after.
We got 2 finals on. Brandon, where are you?
Is that how you sweep all the girls off their feet?
Nah, a little more forceful.
I'll do that.
Change their minds. They don't want to be muddy today. All right, guys, we got 2 teams coming in today. I decided to come out here and turn the rain with us. We got your Atlanta team, the Atlanta Vanguard.
That's ours! Who's the best?
And then we've got your local Augusta Aiken Boomer team. That's actually our Brain Club.
Woo!
All right, guys. I'm going to go over a couple of rules. Max, are you ready?
Ready!
Atlanta, are you ready?
Start fight! See this way, guys. Two on one, Clay!
Just you, Clay!
Stop fight. All right, guys,
Watch your back, Clay! Watch your back, shooter! Turn!
One-on-one!
Go! Shooter! Hold down, shooter!
Who's ready? Why aren't you fighting?
All right! Fighters ready!
Ready.
Fighters ready!
Ready.
Start fight!
All right, everyone. So next up, we're going to have 1 bout of longsword, 1 bout of pole axe, and 1 bout of English broadsword. And after that, we're going to be doing a functionality of armor demonstration and how to fell an opponent that's in armor.
Watch out, Brandon. I got you.
Armor demonstration, I'll fight and then I'll point at you and show them parts of your arm and how it works. And then you want to do 1v1?
I'm down for that.
We'll have an armored combat bout. We have sword and board versus pole axe.
Oh, sword and board versus pole axe. That's worse.
Get your weapon. You're out there.
You're up.
You're up.
You're up.
Hey, pro fight rules, there's no hitting on the ground.
Give me one here now.
Wait.
Want pro fight?
Huh?
Want pro fight? I don't know how long it'll last, but I'll go for it.
Speed dog.
What?
Duel or pro fight?
Do a duel. You need to learn how to
Oh,
All right, guys, let's go.
not here. He's gonna do one of those things where he like flips you 3 times in the
Yeah,
air.
'cause now that you're on the ground, I'm gonna kick you in the head and make you sink 4 inches into the mud.
Hey, so, hey, has that got audio on it too?
I don't think you said the next time
There's a couple of different rules here. No hitting on the ground. Same rules as before. Go back to the knee shots, no groin shots, no back to the neck shots.
Ready? Start fighting.
Hey, Austin, that got dude.
Sit her up. We're gonna get your weapon back. All right, ready? Ready? Start fight.
Go, Hunter, go sit there.
Fight. Oh, start fight. All right, you good? One more, go.
Hold on, that can be fixed. I know.
Hit it with the frying pan.
Yeah.
I got a hammer back in there.
I have a hammer nearby. You need it?
Open it up.
We're working on it.
Close it. Hold on. Ooh, what's that?
Don't hit me with it.
Alright. I'm not gonna grab your hands. Let's just focus on. Hey.
Oh, you can or the
These fighters that actually fight today, they want to keep you well entertained. They're fighting with rubber chickens and powder kegs.
Fighter, are you ready? Fighter, are you ready? Start fight.
I'm with my helmet on.
Let's go.
Hit him with the chicken.
You got some more gas in you?
A little bit.
All right, ready? Start fight. You okay?
Doing good,
Got hit with a soda.
Hey, that was good, brother.
Your axe, I saw it.
Yeah, I lost my. You might have a long sword.
You didn't even realize, but well, it was. Well, it was there, then it was.
Hey, you go.
okay.
Let me take it. Little kid.
Good
job. Hey,
Let him hit me. I tried. I got
hold up. You want to get
more better.
hard. Yeah, use that. Yeah.
Hey, that ain't me.
Let me get my helmet on.
Hey, Mike.
Do it.
Let the kid hit you.
Hell no.
Hit him!
You pick your card.
Yeah, it is Brandon's sword.
Hell no, I ain't got the kit for that.
Hit him hard!
Mike, go team up with him.
Hit him hard!
Hey, swing off.
Swing it! All right!
I just like to imagine that in a perfect world, this is what Dungeons & Dragons combat would look like. Just two guys standing there.
Yeah, this is tournament. Duel's brains in front of you. Is that your turn?
Alright. Get ready. You good? You had to hit him a couple times? Alright, guys. We're going to take a quick break. We're going to go away from the
All right. Fighter ready. Fighter ready. Start fight.
There you go. Ready? Where's your body? Where's your body? There you go. Oh! All right, no hit. That's all you gotta do, Brandon. Step through. Step through, Brandon. Step through. Left leg, Brandon.
Grappling.
push, ready, push.
Brandon, kick his leg. Kick his leg. Brandon, kick his leg. Look out, get the head on him.
Stop it!
One more.
Guys, give it up for him.
Ready? Start fight!
Brandon, grab him, step through. Step through, kick his leg. There you go, step through. Right leg, Brandon, right leg. There you go.
Stop it! Get right! Come on! Okay, he's fine.
He's all right.
My favorite thing is someone
Oh.
random you don't like to make it counter.
We're going to start with 1 minute bout so you can get back up and keep going, all right?
I love you.
All right. You ready, Sean?
Oh, I think so.
Are you ready, little folks?
Yeah!
All right, start fight.
Come on, big boy!
Welcome to the Lions. Get in there, Mike. You're on Brandon's team, Mike. There you go. Hey. Figure four, Mike. Figure four. He's got figure four. Mike, get his other leg. Pull his head down.
No means no, Mike!
Now go, Mike. I get back up, Sean. Matt.
Fine. All right.
Right, just suspended.
Phil needs a wink! Now for Rat!
Now for Ruin.
Now for Ruin!
And the red
dog.
Start fight.
Beautiful shot.
Get back up, Brandon.
Killed it.
It is Dark Soul. Watch the footing. It's on. Stay back in here. There you go. Kick the leg. Pull his head. Pull his head. Pull his head, Brandon. Oh, run, Brandon. Run. Mike, help his partner out. He's right. He's figure four, Brandon.
Yeah. Sean, you're doing wonderful.
Watch the knee, Mike. Watch the knee.
He's allowed.
Okay, yeah!
Come on, Iron Man.
Oh, what? Oh, sorry, Mike. You okay? Knee him in the stomach.
Damn.
Good. Stand up. Peek up. There you go.
Brandon.
Last fight. Last takedown. Whoever wins. No, keep going. Next takedown wins. Sean, go berserk. Kill Mike. Stop. Reset. Get back in there. Next takedown wins. I'm out. You're out. Yeah. Brandon, back up. All right, that's it.
God dang it.
Giants win.
Giant man.
All right, so for the guy known as Dylan, aka Dylan Boy, aka Milkman, the one guy who was giving crap to people for not coming doesn't show up himself. So there will be a hashtag vague post, 100 push-ups in armor. Everybody say, "F you, Dylan." F you, Dylan.
Shame.
Shame. Shame. Shame. Shame. Shame. Shame. Shame. Shame. Shame. Shame. Shame.